Hi everyone, in this video let's take an overview of the AI dressing room core feature of AI modeling. So this AI dressing room feature will let users to upload their photos and instantly visualize how a selected product looks on them. It creates a realistic try-on experience. So you can access the AI modeling web app directly from your WhatsApp chat, and once you click on that you will be directed to this AI Studio, and over here you have the option in the left hand menu of AI dressing room, which includes kiosk view, brand setting, categories, product fields and products. So let's understand each one of them. In products, so this is the section where you can add all the items that will appear in your virtual try-on. Simply upload the product image, enter the product name, select its category and save it. Once added, these products become available in the AI dressing room. So over here on the top right, you can see the option of add product. You will give your product a name, you will upload the image, then you will fill up the product fields such as the shop, the store. So these are the product fields which you have created. Then you have product categories which you have created. And once done, you will click on create. So you can see how it will be visible in your application. You can edit it from here. Then you can generate the QR code of the image and also delete it if it is not required. Then let's go to product fields. So the product fields section is known as the custom information. This will let you to define what information appears for each product. You can create custom fields like shop name, store details or any product specific information. So you can see that we have created two custom fields. You can create one from here. You will just give the field a name and then click on create. You can also delete your field from here and edit it from here. Then we have the categories section. So this is known as the product organization. This will help you to organize products in a structured way. You can create main categories like sari, salwar suit, kurta pant or even add subcategories using hierarchy for better navigation. So from here you can add the category. You will give your category a name. Upload the image. So over here it is written what images are supported and what is the maximum limit of MB. Then you can also select it as a parent category and then you can create a subcategory inside it for better understanding. You can edit it from here and delete it from here if it is not required. Then we have the brand setting. So this section allows you to customize how your AI dressing room will look. From here you can update your store name, your WhatsApp bot number, upload a store image and apply your brand logo to generate images. You can also enable HD image quality to ensure premium and realistic visuals. So you can edit your store name from here. You can edit your WhatsApp bot number. You can give your store a logo. So over here, this is the one. Then you can enable the brand logo to the generated images. This means that the image that you will generate, your brand logo will be visible on that image. Then you can enable the HD image generation. So this generation may take more time, but it is always worth it. Then you can take a preview from here and you have a common brand setting information over here. So then we have the kiosk view. This is known as the live virtual try-on. This is the customer's facing interface. Over here, users upload their photos, select the product and instantly see the AI-powered virtual try-on experience. This view is ideal for in-store kiosks or online demos. So you have all the products over here. You will select one product. You will upload the image of the person and this will be the product that will be visible on that person. You can either capture yourself through camera or you can upload it from here. If you want to start over, you will click on this. So this is how you can take the kiosk view. So with just a few simple steps, you can see how AI modeling helps you to launch a fully branded AI powered dressing room for your store. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.